Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to transfer your Bitcoin from Coinbase to Crypto.com in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, knowing how to move your assets securely is a game changer. Whether you're switching platforms for better fees, more features, or just diversifying, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, before we start, ensure you have verified accounts on both Coinbase and Crypto.com. This is crucial for security and to avoid any hiccups. Also, double-check that you have some Bitcoin in your Coinbase wallet. Nothing worse than trying to transfer what's not there. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts section and select your Bitcoin wallet. You'll see your current balance here. Keep an eye on that. Step 2. Now, head over to Crypto.com. Log in and go to your wallet section. Find your Bitcoin wallet address by tapping on Receive or Deposit. This unique address is like a digital key. Copy it carefully to avoid any errors. Step 3. Back on Coinbase, click on Send or Withdraw in your Bitcoin wallet. Paste the Crypto.com wallet address into the recipient field. Don't forget to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Start small if you're new to this. Step 4. Review everything twice. Check the address, the amount, and any network fees. Coinbase might use the Bitcoin network, so fees could vary based on 2025's market conditions. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and authenticate with your two-factor setup for extra security. Step 5. Sit back and wait. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Crypto.com account to confirm when the Bitcoin arrives. And there you have it. Your Bitcoin is now on its way. Remember, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable 2FA, and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, both platforms have great support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.